Hi, the purpose of this short video is to show you how to create notes and build-ons in Knowledge Forum. Right now we are in the sandbox view of my SCI 395 class. The students haven't started using it yet, so it's pretty much blank, although there is an indicator of the purpose of this view. I create the sandbox view so that students can play around with the features and functions of Knowledge Forum, and so that they can practice using them in an environment where it won't cause any problems and won't disrupt any of the real working views. So to create a new note in Knowledge Forum is very easy. You move your cursor over to the icon on the left of the screen, and it shows a little pencil indicating it's writing something. You click on that, and that opens a new note. And I like to center my new notes, and I also just like to drag them open a little bit so that I can have sufficient space to work. If there's a problem I'm working on, I'm not providing information or something else, I can enter the problem into this space here. So I'm just going to call this my problem. And on the left are the scaffolds and supports. This is the theory building scaffold, and these are the supports for theory building. So if I was going to put in new information, I would click on new information, click on add, and I would type my new information in where the blinking cursor appears. And that creates a tag or label or support that shows that I'm providing new information to the group and not some other kind of knowledge work. I'm not providing a theory, I'm not stating a problem of understanding, I'm not evaluating a theory, I'm not producing a better one, and I'm not doing synthesis. There's more than one set of scaffolds, and the instructors can add their own. There's also an opinion set of scaffolds. I'm not using any of those right now. If I wanted to, I could insert a drawing here by clicking here. I could annotate it, and I could add keywords. So I've clicked on the keywording function, click on the word information, and I click that off. And now that I've finished with this particular note, I can close it, and it will ask me if I want to contribute the changes before closing. Instead of just saving notes in Knowledge Forum, we like to think of them as contributing, because we want the students to think that they are contributing something to the work of the community rather than just saving something. In this case, I'll say yes, I'm going to contribute my changes, and a note title appears. Which I type after a little bit of difficulty. And you can see it allows me to decide where I want to put it, but the default is always the view in which you are currently working. But I could change that and decide to put it somewhere else. I'm not going to in this case. So I'm going to click on Contribute, and the note appears on the upper left, and I just drag it to wherever I would like in Knowledge Forum. Now, something that we like students to do is to build on to information or theories provided by other students with new information and theories. So I'm going to reopen my note, and I'm going to decide to add a build on. And you can see it's now possible to build on to it because I've contributed it. Before that was grayed out. So I click on build on, and I'll just type something. This is a build on to the previous note, and I'm not adding any scaffolds and supports in this case. I'm not adding any annotations, and I'm not going to add any, well, maybe I'll add build on as keyword. And there we go. So build on is now keyworded, and the keywords appear in green. And again, should I choose to contribute this, I close it, I choose yes for contribute changes, and I give my note a name. So I've contributed it. I can close the original note, and you will notice that the notes appear as linked now. The link, the line between them, indicates that there is a connection between these two notes, in this case a build-on connection, and the arrow indicates which note is being built onto. So the note emanates from build-on, the arrow points at new information is the note upon which build-on was built. And that is all there is to creating build-ons for knowledge form.